back, and we are back with Amsterdam. The song name is Amsterdam by
Nothing But Thieves.
Nothing But Thieves. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna do the chorus, and I'm just in standard tuning, so don't worry about changing your things here. I'm just gonna play it. 4, 5, 6, 7, change, 1 to 3, change, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The important part is keeping these two fingers here. The transitional line is a little difficult, but just take your time, use YouTube, and slow it down to half speed if you need it, okay? It's really, really great if you slow it down and then you can speed it up. The timing of the pickup is kind of hard to get, so good luck.